Hi there, this is George Kosh, and I wanted to take a wonderful Sunday afternoon and just go through what Worldprofit is. We've been here for over 21 years now, and myself, I've been online for over 22 years. I'm a programmer, and we created Worldprofit to help people start or continue their home-based business. We've got tools. We've had over 2 million people sign up in the 21 years we've been online. And we have free programs, we have paid programs. I just wanted to, finally sort of create this video that answers the obvious question: what is Worldprofit? What is it you guys do? Let's show me the answers to all these questions. Go through everything. So I thought I would start here on our outside. What you see when you come to worldprofit.com. This is a blog. It shows all of our new members coming in and things that we post. We use a system that I created to make this easier. Obviously, it's automated. However, I do weekly training and everything like that, so it comes out on this site. This video is, again, I'm not following any kind of sales script or anything like that. I'm just going through showing the site. We have Twitter accounts, of course. We have a lot of followers in Twitter, Facebook fans. We have YouTube channel and everything like that. I'm not going to really show you any of this stuff, though. I'd rather kind of go into the member area. We have a pretty standard blog, all of the different aspects of our company. There's three of us that created this company: myself, Sandy Hunter, and Dr. Jeffrey Lant. You can see Dr. Jeffrey Lant has written a lot of books. I took all of his books and digitized them and put them up in Amazon. So people come by here and they can buy them within the widget. We are an A+ rated BBB member for 15 years now, I believe. We got the 10-year award and stuff like that, which was great. It just means that we answer questions or problems from people. So if you buy something from us and you don't like it, you get mad, you can go to the BBB. You get one or two people a year doing that. But that's why we're in the BBB. We want people to say, hey, I've got a place to go. And we actually handle everybody pretty good. We haven't had any problems for a long time now. Needless to say, I don't think we've ever had a really big problem with anyone. And that's why I'm glad we're with the BBB. Okay, so we have our apps here that you can download onto your phone and things of that nature. Again, pretty standard here. We have support services and things like that. We're trying to help people run their home business. They either have websites and things like that, and they want to get traffic. They want to learn all about that stuff. They can do that through our site. And the first place that it all starts is right here. People come in, they fill this out. We offer credits at our different safe lists. We host about 50 different exchanges, safe lists, blogs, you name it. So we give away a lot of credits. And of course, as you can imagine, the reason we do that is so people sign up and check us out. We have three different levels of services. We have a free program, which you get here, and then we have a paid program, which is the silver membership. And you come in when you upgrade as a silver member. That's the first thing that happens. And you can also upgrade from within to platinum membership. We do everything by hand here. You don't just click and upgrade and stuff like that. Everything is done from the silver to the platinum by the accounts department. And Sandy Hunter will take a look at the account, see what they've purchased already, and then give you a custom quote for upgrading. But let's get right into this. We have all the social stuff here. Let me just get logged in. And this is the first thing I want to do is I've already logged in previously. You can see there's a lot of stuff here. You get better and better as you go. Let's just say that. And again, as a silver member, you get pretty much just, I wanted to bring you in as a platinum, but as a silver member, there's a few things you don't get. And as I go to them, I'll say, silver doesn't get this if they don't. There's a lot of stuff here. And our big thing, our kind of the whole process of sales and everything is done through our live business center. We have Anthony Slade in there. He's called a monitor, and when you come in here, if you have a Flash enabled browser, you can come in and you can see us, and we'll talk to you. Your name will appear here. You can see I'm right here, and our free members come in this way. Now, if they don't want to see this, or they say I don't want to buy anything, that's fine. They just go in and they turn this off by clicking the link here. However, what we try to do with people when they come in is say, look, watch our video. And if you don't want to order, you don't have to. We have a free program that you can use. And the free program is, again, they've got the same sort of member area here. I'll probably pull it up in another browser and show it to you. And that way you can see what it looks like as a free member. But, I mean, I wanted to give you a tour of what paid members see. So I'm going to just turn off this Live Business Center. And again, that thing, I didn't do it justice by talking about it for 10 seconds. That thing has been running for about 10 years now. And it's responsible as well as the monitors and our dealers for pretty much all of the sales that we make. It's pretty incredible. Now, if you come in here with a mobile device, it will say you're on a mobile device and ask you if you want to download the app and things like that, which you can do. Okay. Just a quick overview of everything you see here. We have a top menu, which is our most popular tools. And then, of course, on the left here, you've got your badge, depending on if you're a platinum or a silver member or a free member. We don't do a badge for the free members because it took up too much space. We just wanted to put their sponsor up there and everything like that. Profile settings and everything, we have all kinds of different things that I'm going to show you. If you're a monitor, you would see this, and this is for seeing people who come in. They can see everything. There's a script there to help them say, hey, welcome. That way everybody says the same thing. And then there's a lot of stuff like they can book themselves on a schedule here, and go from there. But again, as a normal customer, you will probably not see this. Monitors are, we have about 60 of them at any given time, and they volunteer and go in there. I do live training every week, and because the first thing you're going to look at is you say, oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. I do live training every week, and I post the training on our video locker where you can access it anytime, and it's desktop training just like you're seeing me do now, except I have an audience and they can ask questions and things like that. But I record everything, so it's pretty cool. I would say probably 95% of everybody who comes in here needs that. And you want that hand holding so that this is confusing or that's confusing. You can always go down, and we have really easy to use support right here, and you just fill this in, and it comes to me and at the boot camp help desk, and I will answer you personally. In many cases I'll do a video and say, oh, okay, so you're having trouble with the ad tracker, and then I'll show this, that, and the other thing, answer the questions. There's also support up here. That's one of the main areas here. You'll notice we have a lot of members online. You can click and you can see, we did this just to say, look, we're a busy place. We've got a lot of people online in here all the time. And there's also advanced links. These are the most popular items that we have. And we'll be going through a bunch of these things. As you can imagine, it would take too many hours to get into everything. But the cool part is, if you come into this program, pretty much everything you see has a lesson or a video to show you how to use it. And that's down here on our bootcamp training. You can see the lesson summary, and I'll just take you there real quick. Each lesson, and as of the time of this recording here, and if you can't read stuff, there's a button down on the bottom right. You should be able to expand to full screen to see this a little bit better. Right here you can see we've got up to 116 lessons now. And we have all the coming soons and things. And all of these things coordinate with the different products that we have and the services. I mean, the most impressive thing that we have and that we've built over these 20 years is we have a website management system, we have a list server, we have autoresponder systems and everything already. Every single thing is done. It's absolutely blows your mind. Now, if you already have a site somewhere else, that's no problem. You can, we give you a site. You get one with your package. You could pick one of our domains and use it, or you can book your own domain for $10 or something at GoDaddy and then use that. Every single thing that we do is completely integrated into this program, like cloaking links and things like that. It's all attached to that domain. And you can even pull content from other domains or sites into your current site that you get with us. So that's pretty neat. And again, I want to go there first because that gets us into the Amazon store builder and stuff like that. So the first thing you get, aside from going through all the training, everything is you get your own website, and I'll just show you what mine looks like. It's georgekosh.com, and you can also see your website over here, your profiles where you put your picture in and everything. So you'll see my picture show up. But again, my site loads very quickly. I've got menus along the left. I've got ads on the right, and again, I've built this site up over several years, and I use it for testing everything. If you're in ClickBank, this will rotate different products from the ClickBank marketplace that we have all set up for you. You can see I've got all my social stuff here from my profile, and everything automatically loads. I even have a chat system on my site that I use. And again, you're thinking, oh, how do you program all that? Well, you just click buttons and check boxes and things with us. You don't have to know any programming or HTML and all that stuff. You don't need to know how to do any of that. This stuff's pretty easy to set up here, as you're going to see. All of the menu things here, you can preview them, you can edit them, you can remove them. Like if I go edit right here, up comes a really nice editor. You can add forms, things like that. Move it around, put it on a different menu. You can move it to the right menu and things like that. I did this by hand. I'm a programmer, so I wrote all this code to make this what I thought was the easiest. And I always thought, I'd like to add a page or a link. I'd like to manage my categories, right? You've got the ability to add stuff to the top menu up here. So you've got this ability here, you've got right-hand menu here, you've got left-hand menu here, and you even have a menu at the bottom. And again, you just type stuff in, like free classifieds. That's my classified ad site. As far as these widgets go, these are widget areas over here where you can add widgets at the footer, the menu, top or bottom, up here, or you can add stuff over here on the right, up above or below the specials menu. So we call this just the right hand side of the page here is top menu, bottom menu, and then we have the right hand side, the specials here, and then in the affiliate center, that's where all the widgets go. So you've got your affiliate center here, and this will go column. Okay, the column is the right, the menu is the left. And adding code in here directly is from whatever site you're adding the code from. And again, there's videos for everything. There's a couple of things that you can add in here. You can add entire Amazon stores if you want into this area. There's also books that we have already created, and you just click and it's on your site. The image and everything is already sitting there ready for you. So that's pretty neat. It doesn't end there though. If you wanted to grab another site, you can use the magic site grabber. All you do is you put the URL in of the site, any site, and it'll grab it and bring it within yours. As long as they permit you to do that, of course, and most do. I mean, you can't pull Google in or anything like that. They block people from doing that. But you put in a name and then it's all set. There's also help videos here too to help you out doing that. This is my baby. I created that one because I just sometimes you want to grab another site and bring it in. Like I think I've got one here, for example. And you'll notice when I go to this page, it's pretty cool because there's, it's on my site and I'm grabbing it in there. But you're thinking, well, if somebody comes here, how can they get, back to my site? What do we do? Well, we've also got a nav bar, and right up here. And if I turn it on, it's pretty cool. Watch this. I click there, and I can also build lists and stuff like that. I'm not going to go too crazy with this, but you got, PLR stores, everything like absolutely incredible. If you ever get mixed up, you just hit reset. But you can also tie in Aweber Get Response, GVO and MailChimp are the ones that I've added. But watch this now. If I go back to main and I wanted to see that site again, I think it was down here somewhere, Rapid Content Wizard, just preview it. Watch what happens now. I get this up here, and people can go back to my home page now by just clicking here, and it'll take them away from this. which is kind of cool if you're, you want to get more traffic. You can see it comes up on all my pages here. Okay, you've got stores and everything. You've got a blog is built into this. Let me show you that. You can do your blog postings here, and that's again, I built this because I wanted people to be able to blog, and automatic blogging also works. You can see you can go in here and edit any of your postings that you do. Comes up with editors. You've got optional embed codes for YouTube videos and things like that. If you want. You can add your own categories and everything, different ones like that. Now, really cool part about this whole thing is you can invite authors to come in and post to your blog if you want. You have complete categories you want, and there's a publisher that will allow you to automatically blog one time and then have it go to your WordPress blogs automatically. And that's pretty cool too. So you've got, it's called the Lazy Blogger system. And the posting thing is really neat. Like if I go back here and I'll pull up my advanced menu down here and I go Lazy Blog Poster, I can then create and just check off the boxes that I want, do my content, and bingo, it just goes up to all the blogs. And that's one of our secrets to Worldprofit.com, having all of these things, the latest sales and everything posted. It's really neat because these are done with my Lazy Blogger. And we also blog to our other sites at the same time, some of them, okay, which is really, really cool. Okay, so you don't have to worry about, blogging the same thing over and over again. This will do it. Look at the kinds of pages you can add too. You can add a page within your current content. You can use one of our templates. We have 26 available just with different formats and things like that. You can do a full page if you want. A link or a popped up to another site. You can do an embedded URL. So again, it's very similar for these two. Like a Google Hangout or something like that, you can grab it using the site grabber. It doesn't end there. We have SEO. You can control your different tags and things like that. And every time you do something to your site, it automatically rebuilds it, RSS feed, and the sitemap. Everything is all automated. Different site settings. Again, we've got live chat. You can put your header in here. You can add a personal image if you want. You can change the website width. I prefer 100%. Your title can change anytime you want. You have a description in here. There's also Google Analytics if you want to sign up. There's share this, compete code, discuss code, and Twitter widget if you want to use it. You can do that. You've got a Facebook comments area too. A lot of this is you just go in and you just follow my help video and you'll be set up right away with that. You can show your photo on the site from your profile, and you've got an rotating banners and everything. These are all pre-built. They're all set up automatically. Even live site chat. If you're a platinum member, you would be able to have your chat show right up when people came to your site. If I said, okay, I'd like it to come up maybe on the left-hand menu, and let me just update this, and then I go here, and if I'm online, my chat will come and sit here in the left menu. It can also come as a pop-up, like a drop-down, and be floating, so that people come in and chat with you and everything like that. Different options are all there. I like the drop-down window. That's my favorite one because then it just comes down and just floats. I do prefer that. That's the one. And then people could just turn it off if they don't want to use it. And it's easy. People can update their name because they come in as a guest. Of course, this is me in here as the owner, so it knows based on my IP and things like that. Okay, so there we go. I can probably go over this stuff a million for hours and hours and hours. There's just too many things to go through. However, we do have a really neat thing here. We have a landing page builder and an Amazon store builder. You basically go to Amazon, sign up, you'll get your code that looks just like this, and you click a button and add the code to your page, and then people can see your Amazon store. I have some different stores that I use in here too. Too many. All I've done is I've created so many stores over the time. I've got Hangouts and everything. It's really is incredible how many different storefronts you can put in here. I think this one might be my Amazon store. I think I might have it on my georgekosh.guru. This is here, and if I go, this is a ClickBank store, and we hook you into all of this stuff, and I sell stuff at ClickBank all the time. If I go to my other site, which is georgekosh.guru, you can see I've got some Amazon stores in here. I did just on one of my workshops, I did this one, and it just comes up in here. And this was just something I just did in about 2 minutes. Okay, so it's perfectly formatted, all set up. People can come in, they can shop. Again, I've got some widgets on this site, and I have the banner option here. Again, the rotator and everything, all nicely, all well formatted. Looks really good in any browser. Okay, and then you've got all your ads and everything like that in there. Okay, so that again, incredible what we can do. Landing page builder is this one took me about 1.5 years to create. There are currently, there's too many to show, but there are one-click setups. The Magic Site Grabber is one of my favorite. This all includes analytics, tracking, and you don't need to use Google. We have it all built into the site. Okay, so if you said, okay, I want to do this one, here you basically go, you click a button. I mean, when you add a new page, you pick what you want to call it, georgekosh.com/, and you just put in whatever you want to call it. And in this case, you can see it was LP23A. So I just made that up. You click and you can see it. And it sits there, it comes up, and this goes into my Aweber or anything like that. You can change the wording up here all you want. You just say change that, and it'll change. You can have an ebook download link that you put in here from Dropbox, and an image link if you want. And we also have an ebook cover creator that works in your browser. You can put analytics, tracking code, things like that. You can sign up associates. External lists, you can even put in whatever code you want into the form. You can promote it. This will give you an automatic promotion. All you do is you copy, paste, and you can use that. And you can also see clicks on this page. Pretty phenomenal. I don't know what else you could, what else you would want on a landing page, but it's pretty cool. You can create squeeze pages too. There's full graphic ones. You can do YouTube. Background videos and things like that. Pretty phenomenal, actually. I'm not sure I don't think this is the video one. Again, you can just change the backgrounds all you want. Let me see if we got another one here. I might have a video one here. This might be the video one. I'm not sure. In this case, this is the aircraft carrier one. You can change these backgrounds though to videos if you want. All you have to do is, there's an audio going on this one. You can switch it to video if you choose instead of this. And again, it'll come up and just say, well, where's the video that you want to use? And then you could add that in there. Okay, so really amazing. You can see YouTube loading here, and then this rotates and changes. Now, you can use this for any opportunity you're in, any business that you're in. It's completely up to you. These pages are just yours to use, and you can create as many as you want, and they're on your domain. So you can do books, you can do Hangouts. In this case, this is a live business center. I do have a Google Hangout one right up here, and all you do is you just put your Hangout code in here, and you're hanging out on your site, and Google permits you to do that. Also have ebook giveaway. We can rebrand books. We have a whole bunch of them, and you click a button and it's your book, and it automatically loads into this system. It's absolutely amazing. This one took me a long time to get this one going, because you see, you pick any of the books, and these are all stored, and they're mine. They have my name and everything on them, which is phenomenal. And you can see these ones don't, so I could go and get them done in the other site. So I just can't say enough about this stuff. It's really incredible. You just pick the books that you want, and then when people go to the landing page, they can see that there's 5 books here. All they do is they click download and fill out a form, and they get it. System does all of this for you. It's automated. You don't need to worry. What you do is you build the list. Okay, so that's there. It's one of my favorite things as a landing page builder. Unbelievable, the tracking, premium backgrounds, everything you could just imagine. Also, there's more autoresponder sequences. We've already pre-built those for you, and you can build graphics in this thing. Like if I go to the header creator here, this thing works online. You come in, you sign in. I'm not sure if this will work because I am constantly changing things. I can't promise you this will sign me in. It could be. Let me go into a different one here. Hopefully. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Maybe this one would work. Perhaps. I'm kind of doubtful. Yeah. Anyways, it's pretty cool what this thing can do. You basically come in here, and it will allow you to create headers and everything right online. Okay, so sadly I'm not logged into that. I got to go to my other account to get in there. But you've got graphics packs in here that you guys could use, and you can just download them and use them anytime you want. It's about a gigabyte here, and there's things like our e-cover creator. It allows you to create e-covers. So you can go in here. It's probably going to let me in this one, I would hope. There we go. So now what we do is we launch it. And this is the same as a header creator and everything, except this one's for ebooks. It preloads ebooks, and all you do is when you can go into the templates here and grab one, and it'll load it up for you. And then all you do is you just click on whatever you want to edit, and you double click, and you can just type in whatever you want. Once you're done editing, you can bring in other images and things like that. You just save the thing, and you can download it as a 2D or a 3D cover. That is amazing. That's how I do my book covers. Anytime I want to do anything, you can add text backgrounds. And the neat part about this is we have a YouTube channel graphics editor, a video graphics editor for the overlays and things like that, and Facebook stuff, as well as a button creator. So, I mean, there's nothing you can't do in our website management area. There's nothing. If somebody thinks of something, I can add it. Okay, so absolutely phenomenal. No limit on anything. No hosting fees. It's all covered in your silver or platinum membership. Okay, there we go. That's pretty good just for one thing. This is one tool of the 100. Let's go looking around here. I'm going to go back to the main area here, and I want to show you some really neat stuff. We provide you this training area here that I do every week, and I will pick something and I'll show it off, and we'll talk about certain stuff. I give you a little ebook. I'm actually working on about a 120-page ebook right now. At the time of this recording, should be ready within about a week. You also have access to all of the training videos at Worldprofit Tube, which is again another one of our sites. And you can go in here, you can see the videos, and you can also search using Google to find anything that you want in here. So there's no problem searching, and this is powered by Google, and I can assure you it finds everything. People never have any problems with finding training videos on certain subjects. I post, this is me as a silver member, just going through the process. All of the last training videos, I put 4 of them up here, but again, they're all available. I've different videos here. This was our top dealer, Linda Elsie, just saying how she does it over the years. She's always been our top referrer, and it's incredible just to hear how she does it. A lot of it is centered around using the ads that we give you. And again, when you post ads, if you have an Aweber account or a GetResponse account or something like that, you could put them in here and they'll be tied in automatically to everything that you're running. You can also see your list joins. You can resend to people when they come in by way of one of these landing pages. So when you click here, I'll just show you one. People get all these bonuses. Your picture shows up here if you want. They put in their name, email, and phone number, and then they get signed up to all these goodies, and they are your lead too, as well as our lead. Once they come in as a free associate, they go through the process, and we hope they upgrade. We have hundreds of ads and pages. This area itself is unbelievable. We've got advanced ads here for building different types of lists. We've got like a video technology one where you can see our live business center running. And just too many to go through. It's unbelievable. You'll never get bored. We have video pages that we have here where people can go in and see what's happening live right now with one of our technologies, which is our universal bonus builder, which I'll show you up on the advanced area here. We have list builder pages. You can use these books to build pages. You can even go in, and when you watch this, you can put your name on this one with Dr. Lant, so when they click on links and things like that, they go to you. This is Sandy Hunter's book here, which is again fabulous. There's so many ebooks, it's not even funny. You wouldn't believe it. The WordPress pages, we have special landing pages designed specifically for WordPress, and all you do is you put the code in into your widgets and things like that. You have your own landing page. You could see the one that I did right here on Worldprofit. That one's an example right down here. What else do we have? WordPress lead system, pretty phenomenal. You can enter welcome messages and things for people who join your blog, WordPress blog. And while I'm talking about that, we do host blogs. We can set up a WordPress blog for you and host it for a one-time fee. And as long as you remain a member with us, we host it. We also have some cPanel hosting, everything. It's pretty much no limit to what we do. We have ad swipes and things that you can download if you want. We even show you where associates come from. So it's, I'll look in here right now. This tells everybody where people are coming from to sign up for the free program. So you can go and join some of these places if you want, or use the 20 traffic streams up here. I even did a video to help out. The 20 traffic streams, there's about 60 of them in there now, so hence the plus. Unbelievable. Places to advertise. We tell you exactly where you want to buy solos. We've got ebooks in each of these areas. We have instant sales pages. You can just drive people to these pages. And for example, this one is $97. You get half, so you get 50%. We pay anywhere from 20 to 100% commission on everything. We sell hundreds of different things. We have advanced link tracker, login ads that you can use. Autoresponder letters all pre-built. We have a lead funnel system, Squeeze Page Builder, Squeeze Ninja plugin that we're a developer for. This one too. Own a membership site, same thing. We're developers. Unbelievable how much stuff we have here. I can't even believe it. Ad tracking system. Every time you send out an ad, it's cloaked under your domain name. And you can see all of the IP addresses coming in. This was me just clicking, testing the one. Daily deal pages, everything. If it can, it'll tell you where they came from. And if not, it could be like something like Twitter or something like that, but like safe swaps, things of that nature. So many things in here. This is one of the best trackers ever. And if it wasn't, people come to me and tell me they want something, I'll just program it in there. However, this thing's been running for a long time. It runs really well. We have a video locker. You can put videos up of your products. You can add videos here anytime you want. An example of one of the ones that I did was, how to set up your Amazon store. So you can come in through here. We have all kinds of categories. And again, you can add your own videos or just watch videos. The videos, again, are all on Worldprofit Tube as well as inside the member area. We have a magic list builder, which you just got to see. This thing allows you to post any URL, you enter the name of it, and then you can add your own pop-up onto the site. And that is absolutely phenomenal. You can see sites that are basically all tracked and everything like that, but it's kind of magical actually. It looks really good. I like it. And again, there's videos for all this stuff here. Okay, I'll go back here to just get to my advanced menu again. As you can see, we have a sales chat system. This chat system works on, for example, on our page here, this chat system is set up with a couple of clicks. I'll show you how easy it is. You just come in here and you go sign up first. They give you 30 days for free. They give you a license code and you just put it in here, and then you can turn it on any page that you want. This includes your website and everything. I show you how to add it to any site. You can add it to the WordPress blogs and everything like that. And if you're online, you just say turn chat on, comes on, and then you're in your chat area. I even give you a window to open and see what's going on. I won't show you what's going on with us because it's too busy. There's too many people on our site all the time. Offer builders are incredible. We have a universal bonus builder where you can go in here along with the offer builder and offer PLR products and things like that. These little packages are all pre-made for you. You just put in their ID and you can give them a bonus. And this could be to sell your own stuff. Like it says here, $10,000 is, you can have $1 million if you want to give away stuff to people. It's no problem. Also, we have a promo code center, PLR store. You, of course, get your own newsletter system. This is pretty cool. We give you newsletters that you can create. You can add from different templates here. So we've already got newsletters ready, and you just put your name on them. Or you can just create a newsletter. It'll give you an editor here and everything, and save it, and then you can send it out. Newsletter also includes autoresponder system over here, where you can create your own auto-response system. People come in, you got all your users here. You can add and change different letters and things like that. So you can go here and make modifications. When does it go out? Does it go out on day 2, day 3? Complete system. The business builder area is pretty amazing too. These are pre-made products ready to go. You get the website. You just put in your PayPal address, and then when somebody comes here and buys this, it just goes to you. The system automatically sends it out, and you can manage orders and resend orders out. So if somebody buys something from you, they didn't get it, no problem. You can give them a direct link to download it. We even do all the promo letters for you and everything. These are great packages. We sell them all the time in any niche that you want. So think of that as like a sales system. Pretty cool. What else can I show you? Prospect Manager, this thing will blow your mind. It does everything. As people come in here, you can automatically call them. You can also create custom letters that go out to them. We even have the ability for you to purchase leads. We have fresh leads that come in all the time, and then you can work them. They're called exclusive leads. You can send them anything that you want. We have an emailer to allow you to email all these people anytime you want to. You can add prospects. We don't allow importing of mass lists or anything like that, obviously. The really neat part, though, is when you do go into sending somebody a letter or something. Of course, this is like me testing here. The really neat thing we have is you can phone them using the call loop system. And it's your voice, and everything goes out to them and tells them about whatever opportunity. Another thing that's really cool, sorry, we give you call scripts, of course. On the actions here, you can actually send virtual sales assistant letters, meaning you can queue different letters. Or if you put your own letters in, your own custom letters, like these ones, you can queue these to be sent at any other time. This goes off of our paid mail server, so it goes to their inbox. So again, the Prospect Manager, again, I'm not doing it justice here. It does far more than you could imagine, but it is amazing. You also get a report every single day to your email telling you what's going on in this thing, who you have to contact. You can close files and things like that. Or again, you can purchase leads from us. Okay, so that's Prospect Manager. You can see your associates and dealers as they come in. You can even spy on them. Anybody that you sign up into the system, it will tell you when they've logged in, what they've done. You can view all the activity based on how many times they've logged in, when they've logged in. You can contact them here. You can email them. You can click on their name and they'll come up in your Prospect Manager. And you can, again, you just click here and blammo, brings you right in. You can see everything about them in here. So as far as organization goes, with this thing, your leads are your leads, and you can use this whole system here to manage them and contact them, things like that. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff here, isn't there? Your commissions are all tracked uh, constantly. We pay every month on the 15th. We even have a traffic control system here for all of your. We own so many sites. We picked our best ones, and you have the ability to add credits to your accounts once a month. They're called traffic injections, and you click here, and everything is all automatically tied in. You have your traffic center safe list. There's 5, and you get your traffic injection, which I could do right now, and it will send you, it sets you up solo ads and everything in all of these, and you can use those all you like. There's a video to help you out there too. And again, you can sign up for these things with a click of a button. It'll set you up right there. So again, I think I've talked now for about 40 minutes, and I've only really covered about 4 things. The reason there's so much is it's been over 20 years, and we don't want you to use all of it. We want you to pick what you need for your business to make it run efficiently. You don't need to use all of this stuff. But again, we have product vaults and things like that with products that you can give away or you can use to make sales. You can search, find them here. They're all yours. You can download them too and use them as you wish. We have a complete store that's built right up on your site, so you can see what's going on. If I go here, it'll pull up my store, and there it is. Everything I make is to me. It's completely, I don't pay anybody anything. Okay, so there we go. Let's keep going here. There's a lot of stuff to show you still. Get back on my advanced menu here. We've got Amazon store, ClickBank store. The ClickBank store is pretty phenomenal. It's also can be installed. We have a landing page build link manager. This is used for saving links that you use continuously. Email ad generator. We have an ad generator that'll creates ads. We have traffic multiplier system. This one I'll show you really quick. You go in here and you put in any link that you want to generate more clicks to. And what happens is when people go to the link, it will say, okay, so for example, if I go to this one here and I test it, watch what happens. I get 2 things for 1 here. I can advertise that you get 100 free visitors if you fill out this form, put your website in, and you get your visitors, or they'll buy this. And this is all going onto your list. And it's kind of magical, actually. Really is neat. And you can create it. You have an ad locker. It tracks traffic, and you can integrate external lists into these. And again, you can put any link in here that you want, and it'll generate the traffic multiplier. It'll even give you the promo. So you click on this, for example, this one right here, and it sets up whatever promotion I want to do. And I just put it up here, and it says by clicking the link below you will get our 100 visitor credits to any website, and then they come in through there. It's pretty phenomenal actually what that thing does. Going back here, we've got promo bots, promo organizer, lead funnel. We even have a personal live business center, so if you want to have people come and see you online live, we've got all of that for you. And I will actually kind of go over to the left menu and finish with this, trying to see if there's anything that really stands out here that I want you to see. Reminder system, actually, it's a full calendar system that shows you, it sends you an email, and a lot of our stuff is mobile phone. You'll get a special message. You have your own live meeting center, personal live business center. Let me just take you over here to our video services. This thing is amazing. You have your own live business center. So if you go here, I can go to this. I can now come send people to this page through the URL, the guest URL, and they can see me live on camera just sitting on the page. It's pretty phenomenal, actually. Let me just close off some of these windows here so that we can stay a little more organized. There we go. So if I come up here on my camera, which I can't now because my camera is being used, I would come up in here, people would show up as a guest, and I can sell them stuff. I can even set these messages to be whatever I want them to be. And in here, you can punt people, remove them, do private chat and everything in here. It is amazing. People come in and they'll sign up in here. Planning on adding an area that you can put anything you want in, but these are your links from your profile. Okay, so that works pretty neat. Let's look at the other stuff here. Video recording studio, you can record video and you can email it to somebody. store it, do anything you want, and have it all in different categories and things like that. So again, using your webcam, you can then send a video email to anybody that you want. You just record it and send it, or you can send it from the video recording studio. Again, we have an audio recording studio also. You can just record your whatever you're saying and then send that out to somebody, or post it on your website. We have an instant seminar system. This thing's amazing. People come to the site and you can go in and speak to people and do like slides and things like that. So if you go here, I put in my password. Of course, in this case, it's speaker. Oh, I don't need to do it because I can't come up in camera, but people will see this and they can chat and ask you questions and things like that, all live. You can set up your all of your different slides here. So if you want, you can set up a slide, color it, make it look pretty and everything. You can set up a schedule for people if you want, where they can see your schedule of different broadcasts and things. Absolutely phenomenal system. I really like it. You just send them this URL and they come in and they can see you. There's also Instant Meeting Center. And again, this one is, I'll just click on it to show you. This is a demo one, of course, because it's mine. People just click the camera, come up, and you can have people come to this version and allow them to use a camera, so you can have meetings and things with two people. You can record the whole thing, and people can come watch, and they're logged in as a guest, and they can just update their name here anytime they want. And again, it's all public stuff. You just fire it out. You can even have it permanently put on your website. So if you want to publish it to your site, people come there and you're there. You can add narrow or wide version. Absolutely amazing. You can give people access, send them a permission email. They click and they're on there, and then you can add and remove people as you wish. You can have a ringer, so that way you can hear when people are at your site and you're not there. It might be on a different browser, and then go from there. Okay, so we've got it covered. You've got your recording archives also, where you can go in here and you can then email these things out. You can also paste them anywhere that you want. We have all the codes and everything like that there. So our video stuff is pretty cool. We have a marketplace where you can place your ads, and I won't go into that too much, but you can browse the marketplace. You can earn credits and things like a traffic exchange. Sales Center, this one's a neat one. Say that you wanted an area in this member area for your people, your associates that come in and your dealers that you've sponsored. This is like an internal member area that you can create. So when people come in, they will see these different pages. So if I, for example, if I say edit, I can do whatever I want in here, name the pages and everything. And it's like a mini member area. You can see who's logged into it. You can see activity summary and everything like that. And when your people come in, they will see your link below where it says that you're the sponsor. So you would have a picture of your sponsor and everything, and it would show their sales area, which is a really neat thing. So you can build your own area within the member area. Okay, so that's pretty phenomenal. Again, the auto response center is, again, this is like a Aweber, completely easy to manage. Banner exchange, you have your own banner exchanger that's on your website. People come in, they sign up, you can keep track of them all over here, and you can email them and things like that. Again, this is all just one click. You own the strip banner though, so when people come into the banner exchange and they put the code in and it's all handled by email, that little strip banner below, you can make that go anywhere you want. So if somebody sees it and they click on it, right now they'll go to georgekosh.com, but you can set that to anything you want. And you can see the impressions are just phenomenal. Like mine's, 1 million impressions, click through 7,000. This is completely included in the package. You don't even have to touch it. It actually is pre-installed and everything for you. Sales and commission is all tracked. And again, we pay once a month. Account and tech support, all of the stuff that you'll need down here. You can submit testimonials, dealer policies, everything like that. Absolutely phenomenal. You can use our Solo Blaster. You can go in here, and of course it's built into your website too. We also sell Safe List package on whatever domain you want. Haven't even gotten into that yet. I don't really have time to go through all of that, but our quantum safe list is the system that uses this. You have your own editor here, put in your ad, you can, and then send it out as long as you've joined and you're all set up. Quantum safe list is one of our babies. It is a huge, huge safe list. I'll click on it to show you it. And that's what powers that internal thing. And again, I built this myself. We currently have, if I was to log in, here, account details, we have about 15,000 active members at this point in time. So a lot of pretty amazing how much stuff we've got in here. This thing has been running for many years now, and it generates a ton of hits. You've got a commission system in here and everything. And again, you get a lot of bonuses when you are a Worldprofit member. Let me show you something else that's pretty phenomenal here is the SEO optimizer. And again, all of these things, as people come in and they sign up in them, you also get commissions if they buy anything. Okay, so the SEO submitter is all tied into your website. Again, you get this completely for free as a silver or platinum member. And again, the 12 membership package is already included. You have all of that. You don't have to buy anything here at all. So the upgrade center, you never upgrade. You can do mega site submission here. So you put in your website and everything, and you can submit this. And believe me, we pay a fair amount of money for this thing, so you can always keep up to date. You can do full SEO reports and everything. And again, there's so much you get referrals, you get commissions for sending people here. Pretty amazing. Unreal. So your SEO stuff is covered. Everybody is into this thing because it does help. It's really good. We have a classified ad blaster too, and domain name finders and everything. Okay. Worldprofit Social, you actually have your own social website where we set you up. You can pick whatever you want to call it. George is funny. That was mine. You also auto blog to it and everything like that too. So when you send something using your blog, it automatically shows up in here. Or when you put website, your management, you do any addition or anything like that, it automatically comes up on the site. It's a normal site. Looks just like your website. It's really cool, but it's something. It's on social, and all of this is geared towards the marketplace ads and stuff like that. It looks remarkably the same, but you see we're generating those 50,000 visitors for our free people and paid members. These are always, we're delivering millions and millions of visitors to all these different sites. And again, it's pretty phenomenal what this thing is. Okay, so we've got, I can show you this stuff all day. There's so many things in here. You can cloak links, track them. You just put in whatever link you want. It'll track how many clicks are made to it. And of course, if you go into the ad tracker, you can then zero in and search for specific ones. As soon as you create one, it goes in here. And again, everything's all tracked for you. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. We have a fast cash program. I've created 18 websites with packages on them that you can just sell. You just put in your Payza or PayPal email, and when people go to the site and they buy, the money goes right to you, and our system sends the package to them automatically. Or you can deliver the products again via email if there's any issues or anything like that. So you're covered there too. Anything else I could show you? I think I've showed you pretty much. We've got an article marketing directories. You can create a custom ebook right online. You don't need any special software or anything like that. You can even put it into Amazon if you want, the Kindle program. Again, we host blogs, WordPress blogs of every kind, classified ads blogs. We have article blogs, InstaBuilder, which is a really good program for building landing pages, as well as different squeeze page builders that we offer also. I think that covers almost everything as quickly as I could do. I wanted to keep this under an hour, and I think I've done it. Yeah, I think that pretty much gives you an idea of what we're talking about here. The other thing that I would say in finishing this video is we're here all the time live, and we're in chat. We have a chat system up and running all the time, so you can always get help. You can always come into the Live Business Center and ask questions. Super easy to fill out support tickets too. You just come in, you fill out a ticket. We have different kinds of tickets. One is just for support, and the other is for account support. We also track everything here, so all of your requests are all here. You can go in and look at them again. You can change credit cards. You can even edit your name, address, and everything. Change your email anytime you want. Pretty neat system. There's a message board up here. It keeps you apprised of what's going on in case you don't get your email. We've got everything up here. So when I do my training, we just raise commissions, things like that. That's all up here. Okay, so there you go. If you have any questions, just come to worldprofit.com, sign up, come on in and ask any questions you have. We always have so many members online, it's not funny. Usually we're around the 1 to 2,000 mark. I rebooted the server this morning, so it's all fresh and up with all the latest people. Okay, so again, I'm George Kosh. Thanks for your time. Hopefully you've kind of found out probably about 10% of what we're all about. The rest, you got to come in and upgrade to silver. And we're looking for lifetime people. We want you to come in and stay with us. Okay, thanks a lot.